So we're going to start the vegetable puff pastry. So I will use my puff dough which you make before. You keep up nicely, sheet it. So always make sure the thickness, you can take a 2.5 for thickness. If you take more than that, the puff pastry become more puff and more bigger. So I prefer it not too big, not too small. You can dust a little bit flour on the table as well as on the side. So this is the thickness what we need now. So I'll make the resting for the dough same as before. So I'll use a different ruler for my vegetable puff. So I will use it a little bit the different rule because I won't make a triangle shape. So once you fold the triangle shape, you should have the proper size for the vegetable puff. So let's start. Cut from the sides. So don't throw those excess dough cuts you can use for the base of a vegetable puff. So this is how we're going to cut for the vegetable puff. Now we put the middle the filling. So we'll show you how to do the folding. So now I'm going to show you how to make the vegetable curry, which is going to use the puff pastry. So first you can preheat the pan, the medium heat. So I will going to add some 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Get slightly hot. Now you can see how it's starting, the oil is getting hot. So what I'll do is, the first I will add the chopped onions, which is chopped. The give a nice mix. You can see the nice aroma and nice flavor, but make sure do not overcook the onion, otherwise the taste will be totally different. Mix a little bit ginger and some garlic. Do a nice stir mixing. So actually I already take, you can see some leeks, the carrot and potato. This is the boiled potato. So what I do is, first I will add some carrot, should be cooked first. But make sure when you making the carrot, you don't have to cook the fully cooked actually, because the way you have to be cooked. The rest of the cooking inside the oven with the puff pastry. You can see nice aromatic flavor, nice color. It doesn't make any sense to color it at some leeks. Now you can put in the leeks also. Keep on mixing nicely. So mix nicely and gently. So I will add some now. Some curry powder to get a nice taste, because we should always be using for the spices. And add some turmeric powder to get a nice color. And some salt. And some black pepper. So do a nice mixing. You can see the nice aromatic flavor, nice aroma. It's very nice color, you can see. You don't have to worry when you can make your own the vegetables. You can reduce the fire to get the slow cook. Now you can see already it's cooked the carrot, which I use. Now the time to add the boiled potato. So this is I'm adding for the boiled potato. Wow, nice and looks very nicely. The potato should be nice chunky as I show you, but not for the carrot. Carrot takes time to cook, but now I will try cover with this for a while and see for 5 or 15 minutes to get cooked. It is the pie now. Wow, it's delicious. Look at the smell, amazing. Now the last, before you take it off the curry filling, I'm going to add some my green chili at that, which I show you the small bit, the spicy, the chili. Give up nice mix. It's very gently, you can keep on mixing. Let's try the taste, how it was. Wow. Delicious. I can put some little bit more salt and some little pepper. So we always making the filling should be nicely. You have to be not smashed. You can see it looks very nice chunky pieces. You can see in between all this product. No smash, not dry. Nice moist color and everything is there. So this is already done now. You don't have to overcook. So once you put in the puff pastry, it will go direct in the oven. So you cook the rest of the remaining part. So this is already done. I will show you now the next what I'm going to make for my filling. So now I'm going to put the fillings, which I make all the vegetable fillings. So you can put like 15 grams, probably you can put it in the middle. If you don't have any, I'm going to show you, if you don't have the ruler, same as this, you can use any size you want. You can use it in cutters or different shape as you like. So much easy if you have any rulers. If you don't have the ruler, depend on the size of the tray which you're using for the oven. It's the best thing you can do for that. So always when you put the fillings, make sure it should become the center, not on the sides. When you folding the puff, it will come out of the fillings. So now I'll do the folding part. Before that, I will show you how to do the egg wash on the sides. You can use the same egg wash. Make sure the side nicely, gently. See, I'm doing very careful when you're doing the egg wash. Not too much, not less also. Now you're going to fold the puff with the shape. Keep your the fingers in the middle and you press it as a triangle shape. So finally, I'm going to use my fork, which you're going to seal it on the sides. Looks nice and it won't be too open. Take the fork and dip with the flour and just keep a nice press on the sides. So if you want to keep it as a storage, you can keep it for 2 months in freezing condition. So nothing will happen. Whenever you need, you can take it the back and defrost, and you can bake it. You can enjoy a nice vegetable puff pastry. So we're going to put it in the oven for the vegetable pastry. So already preheat for 180 Celsius degrees. Now we will open. You can gently put it in the center. So you can see the top and the middle part, but it's not the top, it's on the bottom. So it should be only in the center. So when you close it, I keep the timing for 25 minutes to 30. So now vegetable puff is already finished the baking. You can see the nice aroma. Wow, it's nice, amazing color, pretty rich color. See the sides, the layers and the texture, not overcooked, nice golden brown color. You can see the puff layers, the way that I just tied with the fork, it's not open. So when you serve, make sure you can serve it hot. So if you have any comments, please give me the feedback, or I will just any suggestion you can send it to me. Thank you very much for watching.